right, let's take a look. Let's do a little recap today. We a lot of the trades hit today that was supposed to that we were looking at pre-market in the pre-market video today. We did get a pullback into this area here on ES S&P 500. We got a pullback into the deviation band and that imbalance right there, and it did bounce pretty well from that area on ES. I actually fell asleep. I was in a short position that kind of got up to about $500 on the NQ, and I fell asleep. And when I woke up, we had bounced from that area right there on ES, and it took NQ back up before NQ could actually get down to the same area. Let's look at that. Before NQ could get to that same area on the charts, it bounced. So we almost made it down there, but ES turned us around. So let's see. We did get that power hour trade short off of these highs here. To end up getting the money back that I lost on the trade, because that trade ended up turning into the $300 something loss that we lost because I was asleep. So I let it go against me, just like FOMO or revenge. Trying to get the money back, and no, that's not how you're supposed to trade. So that's NQ and ES. Since they're correlated, that this actual bounce from ES took NQ with it. So we gotta pay attention to that. Like I said, I was asleep. If I was up, I would have seen that bounce off ES, and then I would have probably took my profits on NQ or something like that. Let's go look at YM. Let's look at YM. Now, YM maybe ticked the point or two from the area that I was speaking on in the video, pre-market video this morning. This consolidation, this supply zone, and we came up to it, and maybe a couple ticks off, and we fell. So that trade ended up working out for us. ES ended up working out for us. Let's go check out the Russell. Now the Russell is one that hasn't worked out for us today. I actually lost on this trade here on my other account this morning. I was trying to look for it to come off the VWAP or in this imbalance here. So it ended up slicing through there and retracing maybe 75 to 60 to 70% of that move up from yesterday. But I'm still leaning towards it being a long move from here, somewhere in here, back up, just because of these double bottoms here. I feel like and it's showing strength. This is 4-hour chart. We got wicks. So the body's getting smaller. Seem like maybe some exhaustion. So I'm still looking for Russell, maybe even a better price now to go long. Gold. Now, gold was another. Gold was a banger. We called this out in pre-market. We said pre-market video that gold would come back. Let me see. Let me fix that. Let's fix that. That gold would come back to this level here with the deviation band and the imbalance. And that's where it came exactly to the T. And we got kind of move did we get on gold? Let's see. got a $256 tick move on gold, so that's a beautiful move. Was hoping for it to run a little bit more than that, but that was still a good, beautiful move. Profitable day if anybody took that trade. CL also was on a pre-market video this morning, and this was a profitable trade also. CL actually pulled back into the VWAP. Let's get. So we were looking on a pre-market video. We were looking for. Well, we came off of it slightly. We didn't really touch VWAP, but we came back down to touch it, and you see what it did. It took off. We were looking for that trade in pre-market video. So you will see, if you go back to the pre-market video, you'll know that all of these trades were discussed at 7:30 in the morning. So everything that happened that actually went profitable was already in that video at 7:30 in the morning, or ideals. So we never gonna be right all the time. You can't really predict the market, but your ideals of why and how you read the price action give you a higher probability chance of that working. You know what I'm saying? So, but those particular trades will have you up pretty well for today. Let's look at it and see what kind of price movement this made today off of that trade, off of VWAP. And you're looking at 161 ticks on CL. It's pretty good money. Same thing. Gold and CL, good money. All right, let's go check out. Those were the only trades that I was looking at today. I want to call it 1, 2, 3, 4, the big six. I'm gonna call it the big six in futures. Top Step just added agriculture, so we'll have some more instruments soon. Yeah, the more instruments, the better, because we get to find we got more chances to find A+ setups. Okay, so Bitcoin, it ended up going up and it started coming down toward the end of the day. Ethereum, ETH, yeah. See, I wanted Ethereum short. I spoke it on it in a pre-market video, but I kind of was scared of the taking a short, only because we had this. Well, it filled a gap back here somewhere, and took off from there, and filled this gap here, and was curving around like that. I still believe it's maybe doing a cup and handle back to the top, but I did discuss that in the video as well. But still was a good move short, but I just don't want to take conflicting trades where I think it can go long, even if it does go short and it still wants to go long. I'd rather look for an entry where we can go long here. We can go long here and probably go back up. I would be more willing to take that trade versus taking this short for a smaller amount. So we looking for higher probability setups. That's with bigger risk to bigger rewards. So yeah, but that's it. That's the recap on the day. So let's go over it again. NQ did not fall as low as we wanted it to, because ES came down to the level and rejected that level. So NQ did not make it down there. So we did not get the bounce off of NQ, but ES did work. YM did work in a sense. If you didn't take it early, you just missed the move. But like me, I like to start filling in, getting close to it, just in case it flips. So YM worked. Russell did not work, but we still looking at long bias for Russell. I am. Gold, beautiful trade. CL, beautiful trade. So Like I would like to say gold, CL, YM, and ES. So four out of the five, 4 out of the 6 trades that we were looking at, they hit today. So yep, just tune in for the pre-market, and we can tomorrow tune in for the pre-market video tomorrow, and we're gonna look at some levels in the morning, see what happened overnight, see what can we find to get a good trade for tomorrow. All right.